The legal marketplace is traditionally complex and high cost. So in a changing legal marketplace, we need to do something to recognise those who are innovating and doing something a little bit different. And ALPMA so created the Thought Leadership Awards to recognise law firms who are doing something a little bit different, and in the hope that we would inspire others to perhaps take a more strategic approach to innovation and the way they're doing things. Innovation is important for law firms because I think that law firms need to adapt to a changing legal environment, or they are at risk of losing their place in the market. Clients are demanding different things. Clients are demanding that law firms look at different ways to price, to cost their services and to provide those services. Law firms need to be agile, they need to adapt to the changing demands of the client. And if they don't adapt, again, they'll be at risk of being left behind.
The initiative that we're nominating for an award is the Hall & Wilcox New South Wales Recovery App. The app is a web-based application that can be used by insurance professionals to identify the workers' compensation recovery on a claim. The app can be used by workers' compensation insurers, brokers and insurance intermediaries. We partnered with Neota Logic to design a technology piece that could identify a recovery early in the life of a claim with little to no cost to the user. Using the app is as simple as entering a small amount of data and answering a short series of questions. It takes less than 2 minutes to complete, and at the end, the user is provided with a report that contains all of the data relevant to the recovery aspect of a claim. The Hall & Wilcox New South Wales Recovery App was developed in response to what we consider to be a major disruption in the workers' compensation insurance industry. Essentially, changes to privacy laws and to the way that recoveries impacted claims meant that we had to find a smarter solution to identifying recoveries. The privacy changes meant that a new way of screening claims internally was required, as legal providers were no longer permitted on an insurer's premises. And the premium changes meant that a recovery needed to be realised and banked onto a claim at a far earlier stage for the impact of that recovery to be felt by the employer. The Hall & Wilcox New South Wales Recovery App overcame these issues through its innovative and carefully considered design. The app can be used by an insurance professional at any level. In fact, it can be used by someone who has no experience whatsoever in identifying recoveries. The app itself can also double as a training tool through its useful hints and tips. By simply implementing the app at an early claims review point, recoveries can be identified accurately and promptly. Once identified, a recovery can then be pursued either internally or by a legal provider, increasing the chance of an early recovery and improving results on a claim. In fact, the use of the Hall & Wilcox New South Wales Recovery App could potentially impact the entire New South Wales workers' compensation scheme. Hall & Wilcox are currently undertaking a number of initiatives that encompass our Smarter Law strategy. Smarter Law means that we are agile, collaborative, tech-savvy and remarkable. Our strategy demands the highest quality processes, systems and strategies be in place for our clients. We consider that the Hall & Wilcox New South Wales Recovery App has been developed to take all of these things into account. Our internal promotion around the project via our innovation forums and webinars has seen the technology adapted for other insurance lines and across other areas of practice for our business. The initiative has also opened up many other opportunities for us to network and market the firm. We are of the view that the Hall & Wilcox New South Wales Recovery App is a simple solution to a complex problem faced by the New South Wales workers' compensation insurance industry. The app provides benefits to both insurers and employers and can potentially have an impact on the entire New South Wales workers' compensation system. The Hall & Wilcox New South Wales Recovery App cements our firm's Smarter Law strategy, as it is a unique and innovative way to service our clients. It has also proven to be a great way to leverage off our Smarter Law approach to secure new business.
LexisNexis is supporting these awards as our core purpose is to advance the rule of law, and we're committed to do this through our daily operations, through our products and our services, and ultimately helping businesses provide that rule of law to the consumers. Innovation is not just about technology, it's looking at how things can be done differently. It's looking at how you can remove efficiencies, looking at processes, how things can be done more effectively, and then can help increase productivity. This can help with customer satisfaction, it can help with revenue growth, and also lead to differentiation of your offering into the market.